guys, it's Luz again. Today I'm going to show you what I think it is the perfect brown rice. I'm starting at the end because I don't have editing equipment and this is a one-man show. So as soon as that timer goes, I will tell you what to do. And 33, 32, I'm not going to wait. Anyway, so the rice has been boiling for 30 minutes on cover. So as soon as the timer goes off, and let's pretend the timer went off because I guess 30 seconds is a really long time. So after the rice has been boiling for 30 minutes and 12 cups of water, you're going to drain it. Oh, Alexa, stop. Now bring the rice back to the pot and cover for 10 minutes. Okay. And because I don't have that fancy equipment that can write the recipe in front of me when I'm talking, I decided this time to write everything down because I usually forget something when I make a cooking video. So I'm going to read it to you. The perfect brown rice, that's what I think. Bring 12 cups of water to a boil. Add 1 or 2 cups of brown rice. I tried once 3 cups, it didn't come out that nice. Boil for 30 minutes on cover. I mean it, put the timer on. I put 2 timers on. If you overcook it and you forget about it and you keep on boiling, that rice is going to be horrible. You will need a big colander, you saw that, to drain the water. Bring back to the pot, cover and let it sit for 10 minutes. After it cools off, you can actually freeze it in freezer bags. And make sure they have to be freezer bags. And it can last you in the refrigerator, I would say, for 2 weeks. Then you take it out the night before and leave it in the refrigerator. That's the safe way to do it. After you cook the rice and cool off, you can make your favorite dishes with it. I mean, I'm going to be making videos on how to make like a Puerto Rican style rice or Asian style rice with it. The secret is to cook the rice ahead of time. One of my favorite brands is Goya. But I don't work for Goya, but it's one of my favorite brands. I also like the ShopRite brand, Save-A-Lot brand. The dollar store brand, wasn't that good. And when I first bought brown rice, I followed the recipe in the back and it was a disaster. And I have a lot of friends complaining to me that brown rice is disgusting, or I don't know how to make it, or it doesn't come out good, it got stuck in the pot. And my sister-in-law, Annie, told me the same thing. And this video is for you, Annie, that she doesn't like brown rice. And I told her, try it my way. You may like it. So, yeah, that's it. Let me see if I can show it to you. Let's pretend the 30 minutes have passed. Let me get a fork or a spoon. Okay, I'll get a spoon. And it's nice and fluffy. You see it? And I don't put any salt in the water. I just boil the rice. That's all you do. And it comes out beautiful. You can eat it like this too. You can add a little bit of salt, put some beans over it. Delicious. And brown rice is very nutritious. And they don't remove the nutrients from it. It doesn't last as long as white rice if you're trying to preserve rice, but still very delicious, a nice carb. Half a cup is the recommended amount. I usually have a full cup, won't kill me. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, let me show you. You can pause. So like that, you don't have to go back and forth. That's it. Bye, guys. Thank you.